Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun for you guys to come along and get ready with me to go absolutely nowhere, because honestly I'm still feeling a little bit unwell. Still, the sickness is lingering. It is raining outside. It's been just stormy weather. It's meant to be like spring summer vibes right now, and it's not giving that. So I thought, let's do a little bit of makeup, make ourselves a little bit fresh, a little bit human, less alien. I'm thinking, let's just get some makeup on and do our face all up nice and cute, as if we're going out on a night in the town or out with the gals, or just like honestly anywhere. Anywhere outside will do for me. So let's get ready and get this face done so I can feel a little bit more human. So I've put my hair up just out of my face a little bit, just to kind of pull it back, plus the straight parts of my hair was annoying me. I think at the end we will curl some of these front pieces just to feel a little bit more finished, but I'm going to try to do my best to be a little bit more extravagant than normal, because I feel like I'm very neutral a lot of the time. I do a lot of just basic simple makeup, so we're going to try go a little bit out of that box. I'm going to just start with the base. So I think first things first is concealing these bags. Now I've got this really great color corrector, the Huda Beauty color corrector. This one is in Cherry Blossom. I love it. I was really like cautious about color correctors for a really long time. I felt like they never looked right on me until I realized I was using the complete wrong ones. Found that other color correctors used to be a bit too orange or yellow, or even just too peachy, where this one is a really nice kind of light pink, and it works really well on my fair skin. So I am very excited to show you guys this one. I don't know if I've shown it to you before, but it's really great at covering those dark kind of purpley blue bags that I have. Sometimes I put it in other spots depending on where I'm feeling. Like sometimes I feel like if I just have a little bit of discoloration, especially where veins pop out, I'll find that I would want to put this here a little bit more. I don't have like all the color correctors though. I think I should get some more for like spots and things like that, but that's okay. At the moment we're dealing with what we have. So I'm gonna just blend this out. Almost instantly I feel like that brightens my face a lot more, makes it a lot more even toned. I know that right now it's quite harsh bright lighting, but it does really make a difference. Even through the mirror I'm like, wow, okay, she doesn't look as sunken, as sad, as just unhealthy. She looks a little bit more life, which I love and I'm here for. We want to look like we are naturally healthy and living. You know, that's the aim, is it not? Okay, so now that we've done a little bit of correcting, I think we need to do some concealing, especially because at the minute I have not the best skin. I've broken out a little bit on my jaw, lower part of my face. I'm sure that means something, but I can never remember what means what. So anyway, we're just gonna cover it up and pretend it doesn't exist. So the concealer that I'm going to use today is the Natasha Denona, I think it is, and the color is N1. Now it's a nice light shade and it's quite brightening, but not so brightening that my previous mistake in the past was I'd go too light and bright. I was trying to make everything, you know, look great, but I was actually bringing out a lot of the blue and purple tones in my face. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes and on any spots or blemishes or anywhere just I want a little bit more coverage. So that is my concealer base all done. However, I did forget to put on my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, I do usually add this when I'm doing a bit more of a going out look. So because we're mimicking it, we're pretending, I'm going to add this on probably my cheekbones and that kind of cheek area, and then my forehead as well. So this is, yes, Shape Tape 20B Light. So it's still a light concealer. It's definitely not a contour, anything like that, but it's just to create a bit more depth and dimension in the concealer base. And because I don't really own any foundation, I'm going to try and mimic that by also combining my Shape Tape with the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. So these two together, I'm gonna try see if it will mimic a bit of a foundation and give me that more nighttime going out look. But the Bare Minerals is in Opal 01. So let me go and try, see if this works. Okay, so that is my foundation, base, all done. And now I think we're going to move on to some blush, contour, get a little bit life, get a little bit like warmth in here. So I think I'm going to use my trusty Smashbox blush. This is Blush Rush in Pose, I don't know, I think it's Pose. It's a really lovely color. It's a gross case, I'm sorry guys. It's this kind of terracotta pink color. It's really lovely and again works really nice on my fair skin. And then I'm going to go with the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow little duo, but I'm going to use more of the contour color. This one's really good because it is again fair. It is cool tones instead of really warm tones, because I find more orangey bases make me look really muddy, and yeah, they're not for me. But this works really lovely. And oh, can you see yourself just stacked up on things there? Yeah, this is a really nice shade and it works really well, so I'm going to use that. And if I'm feeling a little bit feisty, I might use this NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. I've had this thing forever, but it's so great. It has like almost all the shades of bronzer, and it's really great for that. There's a shade in here that is a really nice cool tone again, so it works really nicely. I also, as you can probably tell, really love this highlight as well, so a nice light bright highlight. So yeah, I think we'll do a bit of that. And then for powder under my eyes and forehead and things like that, I will use the Givenchy Prism Libre powder. I don't know if I've said any of that correctly, probably haven't. And this one is in number 1. So let me add all these powders on and hopefully bring a little bit of life and health into this sick person's face, because I need a little bit of that, a little bit of warmth, a little bit of life, you know? So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. So next I'm going to focus on the eyes and see if I can do a nice little eyeshadow moment, see if I can do something there. I have not done eyeshadow in forever, so please bear with me. I'm going to see what I can do. So I'm going to use the Maddie Zingler palette. I don't know if that's how you say her last name. I know she's from Dance Moms though, but I just liked her palette. It has a lot of nice neutral tones, but then also has some fun ones as well. I really love this dark purple. I think I want to use her a little bit. And we might use some of the shimmers, something going on. I'll see what I can do. I haven't done eyeshadow in forever, so I feel like I've definitely lost a certain amount of that skill, but I'm going to try my best and see what I can come up with. So yeah, let's see what I can do. So this is the eyeshadow all done. I am really loving it. I feel like it looks really nice. I love the purple hues in it. Still somewhat natural, and I feel like it's really enhancing the green in my eyes, which I do appreciate. I feel like I find eyeshadow a little bit hard because my eyelids are slightly different, my eyebrows are slightly different, so having to get everything in the right spot is a bit of a mission, but I feel like I did okay considering I haven't done it in a really long time. And yeah, what do you guys think? Do you think I did an okay job? I feel like it's alright, and yeah, I quite like it. I've also done the Better Than Sex mascara and also the Soft and Full mascara by Maybelline, both waterproof versions of that, because that's my personal preference, and I obviously curled my eyelashes as you guys saw. So now I'm going to finish off by doing my brows, making them a little bit more set. I'm going to do the Benefit Gimme Brow in number 4 to do that. That is all I do, like max to my eyebrows. I can't do like gel, powder, anything like that. Pencil, no. As soon as I touch those things, they look like slugs. I have had many people in the past try to do my eyebrows being like, I've got this, don't you worry. It doesn't look right. They're so heavy for my face once as soon as you do anything else. So, Gimme Brow is all I'm gonna do, and just set them in place, add a bit more color, and then I think I might add a little bit more blush. I know I've done everything already, but I think I need a little bit more warmth because I've gone nice and warm with the eyes, and then it is lips time, so I'll do something fun there. And then I might just finish off doing a little curls in my hair and maybe put on a little outfit to make myself feel a bit better. We'll see. So I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling a lot more human, and I've really enjoyed actually just pretending to go out and get ready for that. I think it's really fun. So that is the brows. I think they are looking not too shabby. If I was actually going out, I definitely would like trim the bits and like pluck bits that were not cooperating. But for today, not too bad. And then I'm going to just use the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump on my lips just while I finish off my blush. I should have done this when I was doing my eyeshadow, but I forgot, and that's fine. Just to add a little bit of color and plump to my slightly small lips, but that's okay. We'll just add this on. So while my lips are plumping and doing their thing, I think I'm going to just do the front of my hair, and I may stay in the jumper. I don't know, because firstly, I would have to deal with the claw clip situation, which means taking that off and dealing with that. And let's be real, I'm actually not going anywhere. So let's just normalize walking around the house when you're doing nothing in a full face of makeup, right? I think so. So let me grab my straighteners and let's do a little curl with these guys. Oh, I figured it out. I always do this one because it's the wrong side, up, and it just always goes really whack. So I clearly needed to do it on more of an angle. Awesome. Guys, that was like massive fix right there for me. That was a big moment. We just caught it live. So that is the hair all curled. I've just done a few pieces because I think it blends okay with my hair, and to do my whole head would take like another hour. Feeling definitely like I'm about to go out. I almost like want to go out now. If I could, I would. But yes, I think that is not too shabby for someone that never does curls. Not too bad, right? And please be gentle with me in the comments because guys, I don't do this. This is out of my comfort zone. The eyeshadow, the hair, I'm trying my best, okay? I think it's not too bad. Let me know. But now I'm just going to take off the lip plumping and finish off my lips, and then we're ready. I think this has been a very successful get ready with me for a very, you know, non-occasion, right? So I've just done a slight overline, and now I'm going to add the Benefit lip tint. This is just their classic lip tint, and I'm going to put that on the inner parts of my lip just to give it a little bit of warmth to match the eyeshadow. And to finish off the lips, I'm going to actually use this Kmart. It's a Halloween lip gloss. It's Trick or Treat in a cherry, but it is such a nice color. So I'm going to use this as my lip gloss to finish everything off. So that is the lips done. It's a really nice like brown, ready, warm color. Obviously it's meant to be like Halloween, like blood vampire, I think it was what the packaging was, but it's a really nice cherry lip gloss. So yeah, had to top her off with that one. And that is my look all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me just getting ready for no reason at all. I really enjoyed it. I feel a lot like a human again, and I actually feel like I really want to go out and do something. I want to keep going with this vibe. I feel like I've done a really like moody, romantic look without the meaning to, and yeah, I really like it. But let me know in the comments down below, did you guys like the look that I've created? And also, would you get ready to go nowhere and just hang out in your house? Because I feel like I'd highly recommend it. It's great. I'm feeling really good about myself. I'm feeling a lot more like a human. I'm feeling like the sickness has been out of my mind, and yeah, I'm just feeling cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I would love to see you guys back here. And yeah, I will see you guys next week.